Hello and welcome. I thank all my viewers who are continuously inspiring me and watching my videos. In today's video, I will discuss one of the important subjects for medical representative in clinic effectiveness. My name is Rajat Saha. I have been linked with pharma industry for 21 years. In pharmaceutical selling, when a medical rep visits the doctor and makes his presentation, the visit is called a call. Now the effective calls are those which results in sales by generating prescriptions. Friends, the health of a pharma company is related to the prescription that a company is able to generate. Friends, medical representative plays an important role in generating prescriptions. Now the question is, how can a medical rep generate prescriptions? The answer is through in-clinic effectiveness. The word effectiveness means ability to produce desired result. Now in-clinic effectiveness helps medical rep to convert non-prescriber to prescriber and ensure existing prescriber to give more number of prescriptions. Now in-clinic effectiveness has many components. It is comprised of your knowledge, pre-call planning and post-call analysis, your approach to the doctor, effective use of visual aid and detailing, knowledge of body language, probing, asking questions to the doctor, objection handling and successful closing of the call. As a medical rep, if you want to improve your in-clinic effectiveness, then you must improve all these points. Let us take the first one, knowledge. As a medical rep, if you want to earn respect in doctor's clinic or if you want to become successful, then you must have thorough knowledge of your product, doctors, market and competitors. Out of this, product knowledge is very important. Product knowledge is your ability to communicate information and answer questions about your product. You must keep on improving on your knowledge because an investment in knowledge always pays the best interest. The next point is pre-call planning and post-call analysis. Now pre-call planning is the foundation of sales call. The average doctor call have been estimated to be 2 to 3 minutes. Now without pre-call planning, it is not possible that you become effective in those 2 to 3 minutes. Now pre-call planning will help you to be better prepared and more organized during the call. Before visiting the doctor, you must do the prescription audit and clarify the inputs invested on the doctor. Based on this information, you prepared yourself on what is the objective of the call, what points you want to make, what questions you want to ask, and what questions doctor may ask you, and how to take commitment from the doctor. Now, the post-call analysis is a process of assessing and recording the result of the call, which is required for your next call. Now, after finishing every call, you must make a note on whether the main points conveyed to the doctor, what was the response of the doctor, whether the closing done in a proper way. Based on this information, you set your objective for your next call. The next point is your approach to the doctor. Approach is the face-to-face meeting with the doctor. Approach is very important to create your first impressions in doctor's mind. In fact, approach lays the foundation of successful presentation. There are many ways by which you can approach the doctor. Let us discuss some of the ways. Introductory approach. You can say, Doctor, I am Rajat Saha from ABC Pharmaceuticals and bring regards from ABC. Today I will discuss one brand that will match your clinical practice. Callback approach. Here you recall your previous visit. You can say, Doctor, you probably remembered in my previous visit we discussed about the use of Zen 650 in fever. Doctor, have you tried Zen 650? Complementary approach. If there is anything new in doctor's chamber which merits your appreciation, offer your compliment. Remember, compliments break the ice and help you to come closer to the doctor. There are some rules which you have to follow while approaching the doctor. Do not sit until the doctor told you to sit. If there is a chair, then take permission. Doctor, could you mind if I sit? And most important, please keep your back on the floor. The next is effective use of visual aid and detailing. I have already made a video on this. Please watch my video. I will share the link in the descriptions. Now the next point is knowledge of body language. Body language is a non-verbal communication where the message is communicated through physical practices like facial expressions, body movement or eye movement. Body language speaks the truth which is not audible, and it adds a new dimension to human communication. Almost 80% of what we understand in a conversation is read through the body. As a medical rep, if you want to improve your in-clinic effectiveness, then you must learn how to interpret the body language of the doctor. Knowledge of body language will help you to understand the signals conveyed by the doctor during the call. I am giving you some examples. Suppose during your presentations, doctor moving forward in the chair, nodding his head ups and down is an indication that the doctor is convinced and he is going to prescribe your product. Remember, recognizing the signals is very important. You have to be sensitive to the clues. Probing, asking questions to the doctor. Selling is not telling, it is asking questions. And pharmaceutical selling is about finding and fulfilling the invisible needs of the doctor. You must ask questions. There are two reasons for that. You can identify the true needs of the doctor and you can involve him in a two-way conversations. There are many ways by which you can ask questions. I am giving you some examples. Doctor, what would you prefer? To get the confirmation. Doctor, what is your thought about this molecule? To know his opinion. And doctor, how comfortable you are with this molecule? To know his feeling. While asking questions, remember one thing. Your question should be simple and to the point. After asking the questions, actively listen to the answers. Be polite and keep your tone courteous. Now, objection handling and closing of the call. I have made videos on this. Please watch my videos. I will share the link in the descriptions. Finally, I am giving you some suggestions to improve your in-clinic effectiveness. Do correct doctor profiling. Success of an organization depends on correct doctor profiling. Doctor profiling is a process of categorizing the doctor based on their prescription habits, lifestyles, preferences, and types of patients. Correct doctor profiling will give you an additional insights of the doctor which will help you to improve your in-clinic effectiveness. Actively listen to the doctor. Listening is the foundation of effective communication. Follow the techniques of active listening and improve your listening ability. And this is a skill that you learn over practice. Boost your enthusiasm. Enthusiasm is a secret of success. Selling is a transfer of enthusiasm. And when you effectively transfer your enthusiasm about your product to the doctor's mind, they will prescribe for you. Finally, I thank you very much for watching my video. I request you to subscribe my channel to watch more videos. And please don't forget to click the bell icon. If you really like my video, then share my video in WhatsApp, Facebook or LinkedIn. Once again, thank you very much.